In this video we will look at the different software development kits and cloud services that Bitdefender has available for you to integrate in your product or solution to detect malware, malicious content and mitigate security risks in multiple contexts. Antimalware SDKs are designed to detect and clean malware in content that is provided by the partner application. Based on the status of the content, you could apply a series of actions such as block, disinfect or ignore. There are multiple anti-malware SDKs to cover different use cases. The core SDKs can be integrated in the majority of use cases, such as endpoint protection or appliance and gateway protections. The high-level SDK is the best fit for endpoints, and both the high-level and the core SDK run on a wide range of platforms and multiple operating systems. The client-server SDK uses both anti-malware and anti-spam technologies to scan HTTP and SMTP requests from clients, typically on a gateway server. The Android SDK detects malicious content in APKs. The SDK has native support for Android running on the OEM platform and provides a Java language API. The online version runs each scan on the cloud, whereas the offline version uses an on-device database. The Quick Scan SDK scans, processes critical files and other critical PC assets on demand and under 60 seconds, typically run as a once-off service on endpoints to demonstrate the need for additional endpoint security. Enhanced protection are additional technologies that complement the anti-malware SDKs. They include the Advanced Threat Control, which is focused on advanced zero-day threats on Windows endpoints. The Quarantine SDK can be configured to mitigate false positive scenarios, and the On-Access SDK enables on-access scanning of content by users or systems and ensures your application is not tampered or compromised. Online safety technologies are designed to ensure users and data are secure online. The Firewall SDK detects, filters, blocks or allows network traffic as defined by rules and policies on both custom and well-known protocols. The anti-spam technology uses Bitdefender's cloud engines for the greatest spam detection rates with lowest false positives. Online Threat scans both URLs and content for fraudulent content and sites to identify phishing attacks, commonly used as an additional layer of protection on endpoints. The Web Filtering SDK categorizes web content requests and can be used to manage web access. This is suitable for a variety of environments from desktop to mobile applications to dedicated server solutions and cloud offerings. The Android Web Security SDK detects access to malicious or fraudulent web content from Android mobile platforms. Cloud services are solutions that interrogate Bitdefender's cloud intelligence to detect malware in various contexts. Scanning is run on Bitdefender's cloud infrastructure. The URL Status service receives a URL from a partner application or service and returns known information about that URL, whether it is phishing, fraud, grey, clean, etc. This can be integrated as an additional layer of defense in any use case scenario, from endpoints, mobile, cloud services to dedicated hardware solutions such as UTMs. The URL Scanner service scans submitted HTTP content. The service will scan the provided content for malware and exploits. Downloading and scanning of the content is done on the Bitdefender cloud infrastructure. This is typically integrated on gateway servers. The CleanSet service compares partner-provided MD5s against Bitdefender's historic database of known clean files, and this can be used to mitigate false positives. The Clueful service runs an in-depth analysis of what the apps are doing on Android devices behind the scenes and classifies them by security risk and privacy score. Stream Defender is a stream-based scanning product that scans each packet against malware strains to identify malware at gigabit speeds. It generally works as the first line of defense on gateway applications where throughput and speed are critical. The Endpoint SDK is a complete enterprise standard endpoint protection that can be simply integrated into the partner's existing management console. The agent is simply rebranded. To ensure the highest levels of detection and accuracy, these technologies use multiple detection techniques such as heuristics, emulation, and behavioral analysis. In addition to Bitdefender's cloud infrastructure, which implements machine learning algorithms to process billions of data inputs to identify never before seen threats.